Want to learn how to make perfectly crispy wings at home? All you need is 2 simple ingredients: baking powder, aluminum-free, and salt. As for the wings, the entire objective of this is to draw out the moisture of the wings. And so this is an important step. If you don't do it, your wings may not come out as crispy as you might desire. And so I am actually trying to draw as much moisture out of these wings as possible before I coat them. And so I'm just drying them off with a little paper towel. This is an incredibly simple recipe. Here's what you need. 1 heaping tablespoon of baking powder. Add about a teaspoon of salt. That's it. Mix it up. Put that on your wings, work them in. Your wings should look dry. If they look wet, well, maybe you should start over. After that, place your wings on a cooling rack. If you don't have a cooling rack, you can take a piece of tin foil about this size, fold it so it's about as thick as your thumb, then bend it into a triangular shape and place it in the pan. Make several of these and stack your wings on top. I just want to say, this is an incredibly wasteful use of tinfoil. This is what this should look like. Set your oven to 280 degrees and set a timer for 30 minutes. Don't eat your wings yet! Increase your temperature to 425 degrees and set a timer for 40 minutes or until golden brown. Let them rest for 5 minutes, toss them in a bowl, and then pour your delicious sauce all over them. Oh yeah!